Hello and welcome everyone to the very first lecture series of the thinking curve. Today we'll study the laws of indices. So let's begin. So first of all, we are very much familiar with the numbers like you can say a to the square, numbers like 3 to the power 4, uh, or anything like x to the power p, and so on. So in this lecture series today we'll study on this type of numbers. So let's consider one example. Say a to the power m. So first of all, what is A? What is M? We'll say A is a base and we'll tell M as an index. Now, what does this mean? A to the power M. So A to the power M means we are multiplying A M times. That is, we are multiplying A 2, 3 and so on. So we are multiplying this A M times. So that is, here we consider 3 to the power 4. So 3 to the power 4 means we are multiplying 3 4 times. 3, 3 and 3. So here 3 is the base. 3 is our base and 4 is our index. Now if we reverse this process, say x is equal to a to the power m, then we can write a is equal to mth root of x. So there here we can heard another term, say root. Not only root, but I have said mth root of x. So mth root of x. That means if we multiply this mth root of x m times, then what we will get? We will get back the x. For an example, we can consider this one. So we already have 3 to the power 4. 3 to the power 4 is equal to, we all know 3 times 4, 4 times 3. So that is 3, 3, 3 and multiplied another time. So that is 81. Now, if we consider this, so if we say 81 is equal to 3 to the power 4, also side by side if we write x is equal to a to the power m, then we can match x is equal to 81, the base is a, which is 3, and index m is 4. So a is our base, m is our index. Now if we try to get this in this form, then from here we can rewrite this 3 is equal to fourth root of 81, just from here. Now we will study the 5 basic laws of indices. So first of all, what we will study? Number 1, a to the power m multiplied by a to the power n, which is equal to a to the power m plus n. So to study these laws, first of all, what we will do? First, we consider what are A and B. So we will introduce B later. So all the bases are non-zero. Bases are non-zero. So here in this equation, A equal to not equal to 0. All the indices are positive integers. That means M and all are positive integers. Now there are 5 laws, as I have said. First one is this. Second one is the same, just we replace the multiplication sign with divide sign. That means a to the power m divided by a to the power n, which is equal to, if we multiplication side is replaced with divide sign, now this plus will be replaced with minus. Third, a to the power m to the power n. That means a to the power m and n. Later we'll go on this on the proofs. First of all, just we can write the formulas. Fourth one, a b, both are in multiplied form. A and b whole to the power m is equal to a to the power m multiplied by b to the power m. So here we add another number, a not equal to 0. Here we get another base. So b is also not equal to 0. We need to remember bases are always non-zero for these formulas. Now go to the fifth one. A by b whole to the power m is equal to a to the power m divided by b to the power m. In the later of this series of lectures, we will study the formulas and go into the depth. Thank you for watching.